Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. A 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube, as you know, is the pocket cube. Well, last time I already do the tutorial about this. So, first step, you have to move this, but you need to move this to here. So you have to just do this 2 times. 2, and this one have to move here. What's this? All prime U prime all U. Now all you have to do just like this, and with U prime all U and all. Now you need to move this to here, move this color to here. All you have to do just do this. All U prime U2 all prime U all U all prime U prime all prime U all prime. Now that's a one piece layer crease now. Now second step, you have to do just make this layer above it down was like this. Was this line up perfectly, and make it more thin. You have to just move this 2 piece was need to be there like that, and the algorithms to go like this. So you need to do a 2-mover algorithm first to swap these pieces up to do just like that. It's U all prime U like that. And these 2-mover algorithms you have to do just you need to make it here when it need to just do this to move the yellow crease here. You have to do this algorithm. It kind of use like this algorithm such as this last time. So check out the link below. Now this piece was here, it'll be here. So all you have to do just do this algorithm again on the different layer, right? There, and when you look at that, this piece haven't do it, so you have to do it like this over again, like that, and another time swap these pieces again, like that, and it's still not on the correct spot. All you have to do just do the megas of the layer was like the 3x3. Do this kind of algorithms. Like the 3x3 was this, but I already posted the tutorial of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Only that video was 3 minutes. So yeah, this algorithm before this algorithms is very easy. All you have to do just do the algorithms like this. all you open you point, all you open you point, all you point, all you open you point, like that. This go be like this, and all you open you point, 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 like that. And move a ball, yeah, and do the same thing. All you open you point, all you open you point, all you open you point, all you open you point. There you go. And to make bits. Okay, thanks for watching.